how to find a missing folder in your Outlook account. you know just go to this view section and then look at the folder pane, or check that if it's in checked in the show or hide option. But still, yeah, you can go on and check to different mail areas like junk and all, archive, or you could just search for the folder you're looking for. you know Search it here. So maybe just try restarting your Outlook application once, and yeah, you're good to go. So this is it for how to find the missing folder of your Outlook account. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for future videos like this.